Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about operator, types of operators available in Java, and in detail we have discussed about arithmetic operators. In this video, we will discuss in detail about assignment operators in Java. As the name suggests, assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. These are the different types of assignment operators available in Java. First one is simple equals to. If we say a equals to 3, we are assigning value of 3 to the variable a. If you are saying a equals to b, what is the value stored in b? Please assign it to the value a. In this way, equals to works as assignment operator. Second is plus equals to. We write a plus equals to b. It is the short form of writing a equals to a plus b. So perform addition operation between a and b and store the final value which we get as output into the variable a. ఇలా అయినా రాయొచ్చు, ఇలా అయినా రాయొచ్చు. Both do the same thing. Again, when you want to be a standard developer, standard coder, you have to follow certain standards defined in that programming language. See, a equals to a plus b. It is similar to a plus equals to b. If we use a plus equals to b, you are the coder who is following certain standards. Be that coder. In a similar way, this plus symbol can be replaced by minus, asterisk, which is used for multiplication, forward slash for division, modulo for getting reminder after performing a modulus b. These are also known as shorthand notations. And these shorthand notations will only work with arithmetic operators. The types of operators like logical and logical or, you can't say a logical and equals to b, a logical or equals to b. No, you can't say. Only for arithmetic operators these shorthand notations works. Let us see a small program illustrating these assignment operators. Here you can see a small program illustrating the assignment operators in Java. We have declared a variable a and assigned a value 4. Here we are trying to assign value of a to variable var. So when we say var using equals to, it will print variable value as 4. And in the second thing, we are using plus equals to. It is this shorthand notation of var equals to var plus a. In the var we already have 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Finally 8 gets stored in this var variable. The same will get printed here. And finally var equals to var into a. Here we assigned 8. So 8 into 4, 32. 32 will get stored in this variable var. The same will get printed. Let me execute the program. So here you can see the values of var depending upon the operator we have used between var and a. I have placed multiple examples of these assignment operators in the comment section. You can go through them. Try to use pen and paper to evaluate the final value that gets stored in variables without seeing the answers, and try to compare the answers you got with the answers provided by me. In the next video, we will discuss about comparison operators in detail. Thank you.